Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to the bonk update today. So I'm actually cooking my next trade on the private, which is actually this secret coin. And if you look at it, I'm actually going to compare this with bonk as well. So you can see that I was looking at it, and this is something I'm doing privately. That's why we call it private, okay? Coins that are possibly going to give us benefit, because understand this, guys, I always say private, but if I have to elaborate just a little bit more, you see, you have 20,000 different coins in crypto. It's just not bonk, okay? It's not Pepe, it's not chib. There are so many coins that can be traded, and they could even be better than these so-called coins that you know, right? So I'm filtering out the best ones, and this is my plan for next September and 3 more days to close September. Basically, it starts with the symmetrical triangle, and if I had to keep things simple, the technical target for symmetrical triangle is that when it broke down, you come down to the lowest part of the triangle. If you break up, you go back to the highest part of the triangle. Now we're sitting just near the target. It's actually here. It's gonna drop a little bit more, and also to support it, it has the channels, and if you drop down there, you're going to drop again to the lowest part of the channel. Even more to elaborate is you have this bearish rectangle as well, and if you take this top to bottom for the bearish rectangle, it actually drops down there, and that's my entry and probably yours as well for September. The potential for this is probably going to be 40 to 60% trade in September. Now, as I said before, symmetrical triangle, when you break, you go down. Now, this is bonk, and if I have to keep things simple for you, I'm going to help you. Maybe you don't want to be a part of the private. So here's the thing. You can do it on yourself. You can do it on your own with bonk. So what happens is that bonk has broken the trend line, right? We started off with support, break below, double retest, right? So you came up, you took the stop losses, and you've got rejected. Even worse now is that you do have 3 black crows, and I kind of believe that bonk is unfortunately ready to go down to this technical target, and I'm going to give you the target, which is going to be 943. And also remember, the nature of September is not great, so I can believe that we're going to drop. And that's all for the video. If you're genuinely interested to join Discord and the private, comment Discord, and I'm going to give you an invite link. And that's all. I'm going to see you the next one. Love is.